Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like the video. Alright, so y'all, as you can tell by the video, I am going to be removing these nails. Now, I know you're probably wondering where's the video because this set looks bomb, but unfortunately I deleted all of the information and I do not have it. So if you would like, I will go ahead and do a remake of this nail set and you can see how I created it. And I also did like the traditional overlay method as well. Like, it came out bomb, but unfortunately I deleted all of the information. So we are gonna go ahead and get into removing this nail set. So sad. It was so cute and it was a birthday nail set as well, but so we're just going to use the sharp end of a cuticle pusher, and I did use the pop-off method, which is, my method is cuticle oil, Makartt's peel off base coat, and base coat on top. So as you see, these nails just pop off real easily. Now this nail in particular gave me a fight. I've said it before, the more cuticle oil you apply, the easier the nail will come off. And I didn't apply a lot of cuticle oil on this nail or my thumbnail. So it does look like I'm going pretty rough here, but I'm actually not. I do want to say that this is, painless. It didn't hurt me at all. The only time it can possibly hurt you is if you slice yourself with that cuticle pusher. But other than that, this does not hurt. And I feel like the only way it was really gripping onto my nail was because I had spillage from when I was doing the A-press method. So it kind of overflowed onto under my natural nail. But other than that, these nails, they normally come off without a problem for me, and I really like it. If you are a beginner, go ahead, try it. Like I say, use a lot of cuticle oil, but don't use too much. Like, don't pile it on like you lotioning yourself down, but use enough. And then use some base coat. If you don't have any peel off base, use base coat and you will be good to go, and your nails can pop off, and that will be a great way for you to practice. So again, you guys, I do apologize that I did delete the entire video. Like, it was ready to be uploaded and I was just moving too fast and I missed and deleted the video. So if you guys would like for me to go ahead and recreate this set again, comment down below. The emoji for the recreation for this set will be birthday cake. Anything that's birthday related, comment down below, put that in the comments, and I will definitely go ahead and recreate the set. It's already on my mind to recreate it, but probably do different colors since I did let you guys see this set. But yeah, now I'm just scraping off the residue that's on my nails, and that's just the Makartt's peel off base coat. Now the thumb, like I said, this thumbnail did give me a problem. I don't know what I did wrong. I followed my original steps with applying the cuticle oil, Makartt's peel off base coat, and then a base coat on top, but this nail did not want to come off. So I tried on camera, and wouldn't come off. So then I just went off of camera and got it to where I can finally lift it. But find you a little niche, a little corner, and get up under there. And you see I'm pulling back my skin a little bit. I'm trying, y'all, but it ain't working. Okay, so I do want to come back and say that I know I said that the pop-off method is painless, but when you do not apply enough cuticle oil, it hurts. It hurts to like come off. It's like you're pulling off an acrylic. So apply that cuticle oil if you want to pop these off, honey, or you're gonna be in a little bit of pain, because my thumb did hurt, but it wasn't like dramatic. But what I did off camera was get some corners lifted up so I can apply some cuticle oil inside, and I just like wiggled it around, let it sit in, and once I did that, I went back in those niches and went in a little deeper, and it just left right on up like you guys seen. And now again, I'm just going in and applying, well, and removing the residue of the A-Press method that's on my skin and removing the peel off, Makartt's peel off base coat, the residue on my skin. But yeah, my nails are healthy. They're not thin or anything like that. They're not brittle. They're still strong with me doing nail videos back to back. But yeah, this is the little set that I did, and yeah, I don't know, y'all, I'll go ahead and do a video, but go ahead and comment, go ahead and comment on the video, subscribe, and like. And thank you so much for clicking on this video. Love you guys. Don't have to say it twice. And Gabby says hi, because I know you guys hear her in the background per usual on all of the videos, but she says hi. Bye, y'all.